In this session, I will be doing simultaneous equation problem solving, where a word statement will be given to us based on the conditions. We need to frame equations, solve them and find the value of the unknown. Let's have a look at question number 1. The sum of two numbers is 14 and the difference is 2. Find the numbers. So we need to first check how many numbers we need to find. So if you read the first sentence, it says clearly sum of two numbers. So we'll assume the two numbers. Let the greater or number be x and the smaller number be y. So let's read the first sentence. The sum of the two numbers is 14. It means when you add both the first and the second one, the total is 14. So x and y, when you add both, it gives me a total of 14. So based on the first condition, we have framed the first equation. Now let's have a look at the second condition. It says the difference is 2. The word difference means you need to subtract the first and the second one. So big number minus the small number is the difference. So big number is x, the small number is y. So when I subtract big minus small, the result is 2. So we have framed two equations based on the two conditions given in the question. Now we need to solve them and find the value of x and y. We have a choice here. Either you can go for substitution method or for elimination method. But if you look at this question, since we have opposites, so it's easy by elimination method. So I'll add both the equation. X and x will add up to 2x, plus y and minus y will cancel. On the right side I have 14 plus 2, 16. Now to eliminate 2, which is a multiplication, we will divide both sides by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. I get 1x, which is simply written as x. 16 divided by 2 is 8. I got the value of x. I need to find the value of y. I can substitute this value of x in any of the two equations. So I'll prefer the first one. X plus y equals 14. Substitute the value of x is as 8. So 8 plus y equal 14. Now I need y alone, so I need to eliminate 8. So I'll do minus 8 on both sides. So plus 8 and minus 8 will get cancelled. I get on my left hand side y. 14 minus 8 gives me 6. So the required numbers are 8 and 6. Now question 2. 2 pencils and 1 eraser cost rupees 35. 3 pencil and 4 erasers cost rupees 65. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 eraser. Normally whatever is the question, that is what you have to assume. So you need to find the cost of 1 pencil and the cost of 1 eraser. So we'll assume let the cost of 1 pencil be rupees P and cost of 1 eraser be rupees E. So pencil P and eraser E. Now let's have a look at the first condition. It says 2 pencils. So 1 pencil is P. So 2 pencil will be 2P and 1 eraser. You want 1 eraser will be 1E or simply E. So when you buy 2 pencil and 1 eraser, you need to pay 35. And the second condition is you buy 3 pencil and 4 eraser. So 3 pencil plus 4 eraser, you will pay 4E. The total amount is 65. So you got the two equation based on the condition. Now if you look here, I cannot simply add and eliminate any variable. Now so I'll try to make coefficient same. I have 4 here. I can get a 4 in equation 1 by multiplying by 4. But I don't have opposite sign. So simply multiplying by 4 will not help. So what I have to do is I need to have one opposite sign. So I'll multiply by minus 4. So let's multiply by negative 4. Minus 4 times 2 will give me minus 8p. Minus 4 times e will give me minus 4e. Minus 4 times 35 will give me minus 140. Now since we have opposites here, we can combine them. So 3p minus 8p will give me minus 5p. Plus 4 minus 4 will cancel. On the right hand side I have minus 140 plus 65. So I'll get here minus 75. Now I need to eliminate minus 5. Minus 5 and p are in multiplication relation. So what we have to do is we have to divide both sides by minus 5. So minus 5 and minus 5 will cancel. I'll get here p equal to negative negative will cancel. 75 divided by 5 is 15. So the cost of one pencil is rupees 15. I need to find the value of E. So I can use the first equation here. 2p plus E equal to 35. Value of p 15 will substitute here in place of p. So I get here 2 times in place of p will substitute 15 plus E equals 35. 2 times 15 is 30 plus E equals 35. You subtract 30 on each side. You'll get minus 30 plus 30 will get cancelled. You'll get the cost of E as 35 minus 30 is 5. So the cost of one pencil is rupees 15 and the cost of one eraser is rupees 5.